Ever wonder about the forces behind the technology that simplifies your daily transactions? We use mobile wallets for everything from grabbing a coffee to paying bills, but rarely do we stop to consider who actually owns them. It's a fascinating question, especially when you look at a prominent player like Beam Wallet. Is it a startup fueled by venture capital, a subsidiary of a tech giant, or something else entirely? The answer isn't always as straightforward as you might think, and in Beam Wallet's case, it involves a significant shift in ownership that shaped its trajectory in the competitive mobile commerce landscape. Initially, Beam Wallet was the brainchild of two co-founders, Shazan Amiji and Serdar Nurmagomedov, who launched the mobile payment and rewards platform in 2012. Their vision was to create a seamless way for consumers to pay and earn rewards using just their smartphones. They built the app from the ground up, focusing on a user-friendly experience and fostering relationships with various merchants to expand their network. For a few years, they operated as an independent entity, making strides in the UAE's burgeoning mobile payment sector. They gained traction, acquiring a substantial user base and processing millions of transactions, showcasing the real potential of their innovative platform. However, the world of fintech is dynamic, and growth often requires substantial investment and strategic partnerships. This is where a major player entered the scene, Majid Al Futtaim. For those unfamiliar, Majid Al Futtaim is a colossal conglomerate in the Middle East, a pioneer in shopping malls, retail, and leisure. They recognized the immense potential of Beam Wallet and, in 2014, made their first strategic investment in the company. This initial investment was a clear indicator of their belief in Beam's technology and its future. The relationship deepened, and in a significant development on November 21, 2018, Majid Al Futtaim officially acquired Beam Wallet. This wasn't just another investment, it was a full acquisition, granting Majid Al Futtaim ownership of Beam's intellectual property rights, branding, and e-wallet services across the region. This acquisition cemented Beam Wallet's position, providing it with the backing and resources of a massive and well-established enterprise. It meant access to a vast network of retail outlets, a significant boost in marketing power, and the stability to further innovate and expand. So, while Beam Wallet started its journey with its dedicated founders, its current ownership lies with the Majid Al Futtaim Group. This acquisition transformed Beam from an independent startup into an integral part of a larger ecosystem, allowing it to leverage Majid Al Futtaim's extensive reach and deep understanding of the retail and consumer market. This strategic move enabled Beam to continue its mission of simplifying payments and enhancing the customer experience, now with the formidable backing of a regional powerhouse. It's a classic example of how promising startups can be integrated into larger organizations to scale their impact and achieve broader market penetration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.